Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a best deals video for Walgreens for next week. It will be the 17th through the 23rd of July, and it's been a little while since I've done one of these videos. I haven't forgotten about them. Sometimes they do fall to the wayside when things get a little bit busy around here, and I almost missed this week's video because I had two family emergencies pop up. And everything's going to be okay, but it was not a good Thursday or Friday, but everything's going to be okay now. So let's talk about the deals. So the deals for next week at Walgreens, they are a little bit lacking, but there's still some really good deals to be had. If you've noticed the past few weeks, and it tends to happen in the summer, there's been a little bit of a dip in deals, but that's okay. Like I've said, if you've been around the block a time or two with couponing, then you will see that this tends to happen in the middle of summer, and that's okay. Once we get a little bit closer to school and school starting back up, especially in the fall, the deals happen to amp back up again. So if you don't really need anything right now, or you're really busy with all the summertime stuff, then you're not missing a whole lot. So one thing I do want to tell you about is the coupons that we will be getting on Sunday. So we will be getting coupons on the 17th, and we will be getting a Smart Source and a Save insert. I did hear that there are some gain coupons as well with those inserts. We are going to be getting Chic insert coupons as well. If you want to order them, I do have a link down below in the description box. That is for BQ Savings. And you can preview all the coupons that she has in her inserts. She has fast FedEx shipping, and you'll get them in a couple of days. So that's just something to think about, especially if you don't get the Save insert in your area. So I just wanted to let everyone know, because I do get questions quite a bit on where I get my inserts. So the first deal I want to talk about is this Crest mouthwash, the Crest Densify mouthwash. It's part of a promotion that's been going on all month long. Where you spend $10, you will get back a $5 register reward. And I did want to put on here that it is a monthly deal. So the Crest Densify mouthwash is on sale for $6.99. Now we have a $6.50 off of 2 digital coupon that is for Crest Densify products, and it will attach to this mouthwash. And the two of these will equal out to $13.98. Use that $6.50 off a 2 digital coupon. You will pay $7.48. You will get back a $5 register reward, making it $2.48 for 2 bottles of mouthwash. And they're the full-size bottles. And I've really been on a mouthwash kick lately, because there for a while I looked at my mouthwash and I had like 3 bottles. So as an extreme couponer, I felt that I needed to have a little bit more in my stockpile. So next we have another deal on mouthwash. I really wanted to highlight on this deal because the tag on this deal says it's good until August 27th. And these coupons that have come out, these only for you coupons that are like the 4 off 2, the 3 off of 2, those are good until the end of September. So I definitely wanted to touch on this deal. So this deal is buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and tons of mouthwashes are included. 2 weeks ago in my Walgreens video, I got the $4.99 mouthwash on sale, and I noticed I could have gotten the $3.99, so I wanted to include that in this video. You can even get the $2.99 bottle. That's the smaller one. You just have to see what coupons you have that would attach to it. So you're going to pick up 2 of the 1 liter mouthwashes for $3.99 a piece, and we have that 4 off 2 digital coupon. Then you would pay $3.98, and then you would get back a $3 register reward, making it just 98 cents for 2 big bottles of mouthwash. I think that's an incredible stock-up price. So like I said, you can get other bottles of mouthwash. You just have to see which coupons you have still available. I actually got quite a few on each one of my accounts, so I've got a lot of coupons that I can use. So next we have 2 deals of the week that I want to show you, but I just want to make sure that you know that you cannot purchase both this deal that I'm showing you with the Tresemme and the next deal that I'm showing you on the same transaction. So you're going to pick up the Tresemme. They're buy two, get back a $4 register reward, and they are going to be 2 for $10. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that we will be receiving on our app, and you'll pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for both of them, or of course $1 a piece. So I love when this deal comes around, and we might even get a 5 off 2 digital. Sometimes we get both, so just definitely keep an eye out for your digital coupons. So also part of the deals of the week is the Dove body wash. They're going to be 2 for $14 or $7 a piece. We're going to be getting a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So then after your coupon, you would pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, making them both $3 or $1.50 a piece, which I think is an incredible deal for Dove. Hopefully it will also include the bar soap. I kind of want to get some bar soap because the last few times we've done this deal, I've gotten the body wash, and a lot of times when the body wash is 2 for $14, they also include the bar soap and the men's too. So if you like to grab men's bar soap, because that's what my boyfriend loves to use, then definitely check that out as well. And also you cannot do the Dove and the Tresemme together in the same transaction. You will only get 1 register reward. Next we have the Tom's of Maine Kids Toothpaste. I love grabbing this deal. This is a monthly deal with the oral care. I don't know if it includes the Tom's of Maine, like the deodorant, but I definitely would like to pick this up. These are buy 2, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. And the Tom's of Maine toothpaste is $4.79. And I have a $2.50 off of 2 digital coupon. That would bring my total down to $7.08. I will get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, making it $2.08 for 2 of them, or $1.04 a piece, which $1.04 for kids toothpaste I think is really good. My kids have been using this, or my stepkids have been using this for the past couple of years that I've been couponing. They have no issues at the dentist whatsoever. So I don't have any issues with them using a more natural type of toothpaste. And also keep an eye out for Ibotta rebates. A lot of times when we have this monthly deal, we have Ibotta rebates as well. So I always keep an eye out for Ibotta rebates, but I wanted to just make a note of that on here. So next we have a deal on personal care. It says personal care. It doesn't say deodorant in the ad, but it includes Axe, Degree, Dove, I think Schmidt's, but I just included the Axe deodorant for this purpose only. So they're buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens Cash, and they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. The Axe deodorant is $6.99, so one would be $6.99 and one would be $3.49. I still have on my account a 2 off 2 Axe or Dove deodorant digital coupon. That's just what I'm putting here. We might get a better digital coupon. We might not. But anyways, that would bring your total down to $8.48. You will get back $4 in Walgreens Cash, making both deodorants $4.48 or $2.24 a piece, which might not be a great deal, but if we get a better digital coupon, then this would actually make for a really good deal. If you're like me and you love Dove deodorant, then this might be a good deal for you. So now we have Chic Products. They're spend $25, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. And so it includes the non-disposable and disposable razors and the Skintimate and, I was going to say Chic, but the Skintimate, Chic, and Edge shaving cream products. So with something like this, there are digital coupons around. I have some only for you coupons. They're actually like $4.50 off. I have $4.50 off the Skintimate razors and a $4.50 off of the Hydro Silk 5 razor. But when I've tried to use them in the past, the digitals haven't come off. So that's why I'm telling you about the paper coupons that we're getting in this week's Smart Source. But we might also get a digital version or printable version as well. So anyways, I'm going to pick up 2 of the Chic Hydro Silk 5 razors. Those will be on sale for $8.99. And then I'm going to pick up 1 of the Skintimate razors. Those will be on sale for $5.99, and then the Skintimate Shave Cream will be on sale for $2.99. So that's going to equal out to $26.96. I'm going to use two $4 off coupons from the 717 Smart Source. I'm going to use a $3 off disposable coupon from the 717 Smart Source and a $1 off coupon for the shaving cream as well. That'll bring my total down to $14.96. I'll get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, making it $9.96 for 4 items, which I don't think is a bad deal at all. If you have a spend booster for spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, then your total would be $4.96 for 4 items, which is a phenomenal deal, but $9.96 is still a really good deal. Now, if you were to go into Walgreens and do this transaction by itself and not building up your transaction, then you could not use Walgreens Cash. But I will show you an example with building up your transaction and using Walgreens Cash to help pay on a spend deal. But you couldn't do it by itself like this, and you wouldn't get the Walgreens Cash. So now let's look at some scenarios where we have our spend boosters. The first one is spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. I actually got my spend boosters today on Saturday the 16th, which is a little late, but I have some spend boosters, and one of them is spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. You would grab 2 of the Dove Body Wash at $7 a piece and 2 of the mouthwash at $3.99 a piece. That would make your total $21.98. You would use that 7 off of 2 Dove Digital and the 4 off 2 Crest Mouthwash Digital. I think it's just a Crest Digital that includes mouthwash. So then you would pay $10.98. You would have to pay that in cash. Then you'd get back $5 in Walgreens Cash for your spend booster, a $4 register reward for your Dove, and a $3 register reward for your mouthwash, making everything free and a 102 moneymaker. Now you would have to pay that $10.98 out of pocket to make that a 102 moneymaker. But I want to show you a transaction where you actually build it up, where you buy a little bit more, and then you don't have to pay hardly any money out of pocket to make it a really cheap transaction. So on the next transaction, we have a spend 20, get back 5, but we have built it up to where basically our coupons count as the cash, and we don't have to pay hardly any money out of our own pocket because the remaining portion is going to be around $20, and then we can use $20 in Walgreens Cash to pay. So we're going to buy 2 of the Dove Body Wash again, and we're going to buy 2 of the Crest Densify mouthwashes at $6.99 a piece. Then we're going to pick up 2 Neutrogena wipes. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off, and you want the 25 count wipes. So they are $6.29 in my store. So one's $6.29, and then the second one is $3.14. Then you're going to want to grab 2 20-ounce Coke products. It does also include a certain size of Smart Water, but the Coke is going to be $2 a piece, so $4. That would make your total $41.41. And before we talk about the rest of the scenario here, when you are building up your transaction, you typically have to get it to around $40. Now, if you look at the total amount of coupons that we're using, we are using $20.50 worth of coupons. And actually, they're all digital coupons. But anyways, we're using $20.50 worth of coupons. That is the same amount as what we need to spend in our spend booster. Since Walgreens counts coupons as cash, it's already shown in the system that we have spent our $20. So any remaining portion that we have left in our total, we can use Walgreens Cash. So after those coupons, we have the 7 off of 2 digital coupon for the Dove, the $6.50 off of 2 Crest Densify digital coupon. We have a 5 off 2 Neutrogena digital coupon, and we have a BOGO, I'm sorry, it's not a $2 off, it's a BOGO Coca-Cola Products digital coupon. That coupon is good until the 19th of July. So those coupons will bring our total down to $20.91. Now, I wanted my total amount that I have to pay after my coupons to be very close to a number where I can pay in Walgreens Cash and not have to pay a lot out of my pocket. So I wanted to be close to either $20, so I could spend $20 in Walgreens Cash, or $10 and spend $10 in Walgreens Cash. You don't want to have to pay more than a few dollars. So since my total is $20.91, I can use $20 in Walgreens Cash. So then I will get back a $5 in Walgreens Cash for my booster. I will get back a $4 register reward for the Dove body wash and a $5 register reward for the mouthwash. I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta. Those are attaching to 2 rebates, a $2 rebate and a $1 rebate. But for some reason, I was only thinking of 1 package of wipes when I did this breakdown. So your total wouldn't be $3.91 for all of these products. It would be 91 cents. And since you build up your transaction and use your coupons as cash, you didn't have to pay $20.91 out of pocket. You just paid 91 cents. And it just so happens that the math worked out to where the final cost for everything was 91 cents, which that doesn't normally happen. It just worked out that way with the math this week. But having a low out-of-pocket is also really important with couponing at Walgreens. I sometimes do it, I sometimes don't do it, just to show you guys the deals. But I like to show you that you don't have to spend $20 out of your own pocket to have 91 cents worth of items, if you know what I mean. So let's go on to another scenario. I also have a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens Cash this week as a booster. And I just wanted to show you a bigger scenario put together. So this time with this transaction, we're going to grab the Chic scenario that I showed you earlier. And then we're going to grab 2 of the Tresemme for $5 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of the Axe deodorant. And then we're going to grab 2 of the 20-ounce Cokes. That's going to make our total $51.44. We're going to use 2 of those paper coupons for the $4 off a Chic razor, a $3 off Chic disposable razor, and $1 off of the Chic shaving cream. We're also going to use a 4 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon, a 2 off 2 Axe or Dove Deodorant digital coupon, and then that BOGO Coca-Cola products digital coupon. That will bring our total down to $31.44. I did not build up this transaction. So then you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens Cash for your booster. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens Cash for your Chic. You're going to get back a $4 register reward for your Tresemme and $4 in Walgreens Cash for your Axe deodorant. That's going to bring your total down to $8.44 for all of those items. If you have a $9 when you spend $40 paper booster, then you could use that with this transaction. If you have that booster, then you would get back an additional $9 in Walgreens Cash, and it would make everything free and a 56-cent moneymaker. I don't have any boosters because I didn't shop last week. I might get some when I go shop this coming week. But as of right now, I don't have any of those. But if you do, you can definitely pair that in with this deal, and you would get an additional $9 back in Walgreens Cash. So that is everything that I have for you for this week's Best Deals video for next week at Walgreens. Like I said, I'm sorry it's a little bit late, but sometimes weird, freak, unusual things happen in your life, and you have to postpone things. But I'm happy I got the video out this week. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great weekend and a great week, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.